Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by powering the Chromecast and plugging it into an HDMI port. Use the supplied USB power adapter. This ensures stable power and faster setup. Once the Chromecast shows the setup screen on your TV, make sure your phone's Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are on, and have your Wi-Fi password ready. You do this now because pairing and network admission must happen immediately. If you see a code on TV, it verifies you're connecting to the right device. Keep that visible while you can open the Google Home app on your phone, tap the plus sign and choose Setup Device, then New Devices. The app scans for your Chromecast, accept the pairing request when the TV code matches. Next, select the Wi-Fi network to join and enter the password. This is critical because the Chromecast needs network access to stream. Assign a room name so you can say, for example, "Hey Google, play in living room." Allow any firmware update to finish. This improves reliability. To finish, open a compatible app and tap the cast icon, selecting your Chromecast. You should see the content on TV. If nothing happens, make sure your phone and Chromecast are on the same Wi-Fi band, many routers separate too, 4 and 5 GHz. Once done, try power cycling the plug or rebooting your router and phone. This fixes most network issues. If problems persist, perform a factory reset by holding the Chromecast button until the LED flashes. Then repeat setup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.